All right, so now if we go temp.mp4, yeah, okay, we got a problem. End of file. Why though? Because I think that should only happen if it gets rip-ipped, but it should be reference counted. And yeah, okay. Yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, I just don't think I initialized that correctly. I don't think that's strictly correct, because okay. That shouldn't happen, but is not surprising now that I see it. Okay. Okay, yeah. I still don't expect this to work. No, what was I saying before? Okay. Like, this is unexpected. Because they should both streams should be drained. Both codecs should be drained before the dereffing is done. So if we go video dealloc, so audio output dealloc enters drain mode. It sends null to the codec, a null frame, and then it continues receiving. Right, it continues reading and continues writing out frames, then format dealloc, format deref. Lock. Okay. Dereference. And we should still have a reference. So it should just unlock the mutex. It shouldn't do any of this. In fact, it does this first. Why would you get end of file for that? Okay, I'm gonna need to plug my headphones in to see if that worked with the audio. No, the audio didn't work at all. Which will be a problem for next time. But I am gonna quickly look at this. Oh, because I don't kill the background thread? Yeah, that's a problem. This should be x context.thread ID. Yeah. Don't know if that's an and. Okay, sure. Okay. All right, and exit. Fuck, I know why that's happening. Yeah, what do I do about that? So I can set that to be not valid. But unlike the audio input processing, yeah, I need to think about that. That's not trivial to do, because we have different behavior here than in the audio case. What happens here is that so what happens in the audio case is that when you make the audio input invalid, it kills the background thread when it discovers that the input's invalid. But we don't set the X input to be invalid. We keep processing the X input, whereas in the audio case, for some reason, we tear down the whole thing instead of just the output. I don't think there's a good reason to do that. I think we should be just tearing down the output. But because we have I think we basically just tear down the input because it's easier to resynchronize when you want to kill the output. You can tear down all the input as well. But that's not a good solution. We should just be stopping the output. But we need a way to know. We could use a simple 2-byte, one for valid and another for stopped. like on our input, we have a valid and started, which I guess maybe is potentially record here. So maybe we can have like a record in here as well. But that's going to be a problem for next time, I think. Yeah, I think I'm tapped for today, and we'll pick it up next time.